Hello everyone. Sometimes while coding, we can run into an error in VS Code that says that you cannot edit in read-only editor. So to solve that problem, we can go to stop the code runner and go to the bottom left corner which has settings icon. Click on that and click on the settings, and we can type run in terminal, which gives us an option that says code runner run in terminal, whether to run code in integrated terminal. So tick mark in that, check the box, and then go to your file and rerun the code, and we can see that I'm running the code. We run the code and you can see that the output is generated in our integrated terminal. You can do whatever you're supposed to do, and yeah, the problem is solved.